stop. Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. This is buy one get one free. No, it wasn't. It was got to buy two before you post it. That's right. So this is from Discogs. So this is two albums. This one will need a knife down the middle. This is why I don't do openings on YouTube. So I faff around with it these days. So that's looking better. Voila, back in my position. Fuck. Didn't order that. Didn't order that. What the fuck's he doing? He's using that for back package. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Mad bastard packed that in with it. He's having a fucking laugh, isn't he? Oh my god, I'm glad I filmed that now. He'll have to go. Jesus Christ. Anyway, this is what I ordered. And we'll open that one later on. The Portuguese one. Oh my god. That's funny.